Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the language of your Apple Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by getting your iPhone and opening the Watch app. In the Watch app, tap on General. In General, select Language and Region. Tap Watch Language. Select the language you want to change it to. Confirm the language change in the pop-up. Your watch will now begin changing language. It will take a minute or two to complete. Your Apple Watch language has now been changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.